relationship. Kaya paano natin siya naloloko? You're not cheating on Yuri because we are not in a relationship.
Wala pala eh. Nilayan mo na ako.
We are not in a relationship. But you were mine.
Alam mo, baliw ka na.
Baliw sa'yo? Yeah, I think so.